Good morning. How you guys doing? So we were supposed to be in Florida 2K, but the weather's so bad that we don't want to gamble with it. It fucking rains there half the time, so we figured that we would just rent the local track. Well, vlogs usually consist of these beautiful animals. We're gonna do something different. We love our following, so we figured, why not give fucking something back? So you guys see that? That is what you refer to as a Mitsubishi Evolution 2.0 single turbo. Is it an 8 or a 9? Evo 8. Damn, I lost my Evo knowledge. All bad. Anyways, that's gonna be our new giveaway car. We're gonna give away a car and probably give away some money. It's kind of cool. It came in this morning. The cool thing about this car is that it's already built. Makes about 750 to the wheel. It has a Sheepey forward-facing single scrolled V-band in and out kit, Sheepey intercooler, built engine, flex fuel system, AEM V2, tuned by our buddy Darden at Darden Tuned. So yeah, we're excited about this. We know that we have a big following, and we know that there's a lot of things that we do that unfortunately we can't do for a lot of people. So we're like, most of you guys could afford a t-shirt, a hat, a beanie, right? What's 50 bucks, 60 bucks? Buy 50 bucks, 60 bucks with the merchandise and you enter to win this thing, and you get a free car. And whoever wins, we're actually gonna fly you in. We're gonna pick you up. We're gonna treat you, show you the world, how we do things, and come give you the car, go drive it around, hang out with us for a couple days, and you'll have yourself a badass Evo. In the meantime, though, as you guys see, she ain't perfect, right? She needs a little TLC. Feel me? These tires, though, my man's on some snow tires. No bueno. So we're gonna switch the rims. We're gonna switch the tire to a 888. We're gonna wrap it. We might upgrade the turbo kit just a tad bit.
Titanium?
Maybe do some titanium stuff in there. Powder coat the charge pipe. Give us some more cosmetic stuff, and we're gonna do it in series, right? So there'll be multiple episodes of us, changing the view of the Evo, fine tuning it, doing stuff like that, and then just kind of making this a big group activity for everybody to have fun with. Once again, the thing is, we're very, very busy, and we still sell a lot of Evo production stuff, a lot of Honda stuff. Thank you guys for everybody that buys it. For us to find time to do this, we really just want to give back. And if this goes well, we'll give a car away every, 2 months? All right. If this goes well, I'm going to give away a Gen 1.5 R8 twin turbo OEM ECU tune. So the more you guys help share this and support this, the more it'll drive us to do even more and more and more. So, which we all know that if we all work as a team, we could do anything, right? Yeah, so as you can tell, this car was driven. The factory turbine housings are cast steel, so surface rust is a very common thing. These are cold roll head flanges, so you see there's surface rust there. So what we're gonna do is rip this all out and coat it and make it nice fat house catch can. We gotta get rid of the tile though. Bye-bye tile, Turbo Smart. Put some Turbo Smart product in here. See what injectors are in there. Those fuel injectors gotta go too.
Think injector dynamics?
Yeah, fuel injector clinic, no go. Gotta take that out. So some IDs in there. Fuel lab, I have no problem with you. We'll leave you there. I like Fat House. We'll leave that there. This radiator. What is this?
Gotta go CSF.
Gotta go. That's leaving too. CSF. What else don't I like on this thing? Everything else I'm okay with. I like STM. We'll leave that. What's up with these little purple washers though, bro? It's cute. Should we go for a drive?
Yeah.
Woo. Do I still have to remember to drive a clutch car? There's no paddles. Follow me! Come on! What are you revving to?
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100
Yes, sir. You like that? Oh, shit, this thing is fun. This thing is fucking fun. Holy shit, this thing is cool. Why don't we own one of these again? Oh my god. Hey, how much was that? Yeah, main gear. I forgot how to use a clutch. I need a polo.
It's like nostalgic as fuck.
Dude, this thing is so much fun. Because you have to drive it.
Yeah, it's like the whole feeling. You're like sketchy ass tires.
Holy shit, this thing is cool. Wow, I'm gonna have fun with this one. This is slowly gonna have like a big f***ing turbo on it within a week, you know that, right? Yeah. Hey, not bad for a floor banger, huh? Yo, dude, Fleming, I haven't used a fucking clutch in forever.
Dude, that is shocking, man. That's pretty fast.
Yo, I think it's so much fun.
And on like third or fourth, you were getting me. I was kind of shocked.
Yeah, because I fucking spun the tire, I short shifted it,
All
bogged
I see
it.
is in my rearview mirror, a lot of smoke, man, behind you. I was just like, whether that's the tire or what it was, I don't know if you were spinning or what, but it looked pretty bad in the mirror. I'm like, oh, he's coming. He ain't lifting.
No.
You're not gonna lift.
I was riding. That shit was all over the road.
Oh, hey, listen, by the way, this is not the West Coast's F12. This was a car that I rented out of San Diego.
Fleming, you gotta drive it. You have to drive it, Fleming. Let's go for a drive. You gotta drive it.
This is the first car I raced.
The
As a
red
matter of
one.
fact,
Do you
the
remember?
red Revo.
Yeah, that almost beat you. Remember that?
Dude, that guy was legit.
But he had a sequential transmission in the whole nine.
Yeah, the front end of his
Big
car even on the ground.
turbo. Yeah, it was. This is like, so this has our full turbo kit on it, which we sell. We was a hot item, right? So this is a 700 horsepower car. We can get in this and drive it anyway.
So I'm not cheating on you if I drive this. It's a Sheepey car.
Oh yeah.
okay.
It's on a
All right,
Ferrari.
feel better.
It's on a Ferrari.
All right, no condo.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, this is front wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
Oh, all wheel drive? That's why I couldn't get it to do what I wanted. What a freaking crack up.
And then you can shift it at 8,000 too, okay?
Okay. Hold on, I should probably put the seats on top.
What do you think, Alan?
What do you mean? I trust it. Let me try. I rarely jump in passenger seat with anybody. Do it with Flemmy. I'll see you. Starting first. Let it ride.
It's crazy, bro. Someone's gonna win that off a t-shirt.
Alright, send it. Send it.
Why does it go? It goes all the way to 8,000.
Brake boosted, Fleming.
I didn't
hard. I can feel that.
Yeah, this car's not as safe as dude. You were driving it like it was R8.
Yeah.
No, you can't do that with this thing.
Wow, dude, come 6,500 and just glides.
Yeah, big turbo. It's crazy, huh? Aren't they fun?
Dude, unbelievable. Fun part! No, you gotta go! What do you mean?
Yeah, we're done. That's it.
I can't slow down. I gotta drop you off.
Drop me off.
I got a whole nother gear. Oh, that was reverse.
You got a whole
Oh, shit.
It's so fast. Like when third gear just pulls. Oh my gosh.
So there goes the neighborhood. I miss my Evos. It's a nice car.
I'm like, oh yeah, look, it looks like he's low on blinker fluid. He's got a 62, 66 starter.
What's going on, guys? We got our giveaway car here. It's a 2003 Mitsubishi Evo, 66,000 miles, clean title. So it's gonna be a good car. Like that's like every Evo owner's dream is to have a clean title, Evo 8 with low miles. It has a built 2.0, rods, pistons, head, everything, cams, and then a Sheepey built 6466 forward-facing kit with a wastegate dump out the top. Full STM exhaust out the back on some sketchy all-wheel tires. We'll change that. Change that to some, what, Toyo R888Rs?
Probably.
Yeah, it's got a JMF Fabrications intake manifold, so none of the stock intake manifold stuff. It's actually cast aluminum. So it's on a AEM V2 standalone, tuned by Dart and Maliku out of Santee, California. Just Dart and Tune on Instagram. He'll be coming out to check out the car, just make sure everything's good, and then I'll have my friend Michael Anthony of Epic Performance down in Ramona, California, come out and check out the motor, do an oil change, fluids, everything. It's got a Wave Track LSD. Basically everything you can think of in a perfect street Evo. This is the perfect street Evo, and to know that one of you guys is gonna win it out of a shirt, case, any merchandise that we happen to create, that's what you're gonna get.
Anyways, so we're back, baby. It feels like 2017 in Evos and Hondas. Yo,
2017. We're taking it back to 2012.
This shit, I know it's nowhere as close as the Lambos and R8s we build, but they feel so much faster.
Yeah. Well, it's because it weighs nothing. Super short gear ratios, so you're running through
By the
each gear
way,
like a
nobody
second.
talks shit on my driving style, all right? It's been a minute. I'm used to paddles these days.
Called style.
No, bro, I suck. I'm bouncing off the limiter, short shifting into second. I'm all over the place.
That's why I heard it backfire out, bro.
Yeah, I'm all over the place. Anyways, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this build. Lots of fun. So this is episode 1. Stay out for episode 2. That's it. Out.